You're struggling to showcase your designs without a mannequin or a model?
If you have a fashion brand and you cannot afford to buy a mannequin or afford to pay a model just yet, not to worry because CapCut AI have got you covered. So first off, you need to have taken pictures of this dress already. When I mean pictures of them, it could be pictures of them laid on the floor flat or on hanger. Once you have pictures of these outfits, it is easier for us to achieve this CapCut AI models putting on those dresses for you. Now, without further ado or without much talk, let's get right into what CapCut AI models have got for us. Before I go further, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Please also drop a comment, it will be very much appreciated. Let's begin. So you're going to open your CapCut app. Once you open up your CapCut app, at the top part of the screen, you click on expand. It's going to bring out different options for you, but remember we're working with the model, so we click on AI model. It's going to open and we click on model. You're going to see both the female model and the male model. Now if you are a fashion brand into male wear, you can actually pick a male model, but we are here for the female because I'm a lady and I am dark skin, so I'm going to have to pick the dark skin model. So we click on good and you come here at the middle part where there is like a plus sign. You click on it, it's going to take you to your phone gallery so you can actually pick the dress you want to work with. That's a dress you already took a picture of. You click on it and you add. We're going to allow it to load. Once it loads, there you see the dress there, but it's not on the mannequin yet, right? So calm down, we go on pose. Now you're going to see the model in different pose, so you can pick any pose that you prefer or you can select all. I'm going to have to select all so um I can see what they all look like and actually decide which one I want. So once we're done selecting all of it, we click on generate. There it's coming up and there we have it. These are my models in different position wearing the outfits that I prefer them to. I hope you can see how simple that is. Now we're going to click on export, and once we click on export, it's going to automatically save to our phone gallery. We click on done. Let's go to our phone gallery and see what it looks like. And there you have it. These are our models in different pose, both full length and half length. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to share this video, leave a comment, and give this hack a try. Oh, before I forget, you've watched the video to this point and you've not subscribed yet. Why now? Oh yeah, please subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.